Hello, this is Sergio from the ClinicSense support team, and today I'll be talking about the memos feature and how it works. Now, there are two different ways to write a memo. The very first way is if you pull up an appointment, such as this one with James Smith. Here within the Schedule tab, there's actually a section for memos. If you click on it, you will see any relevant memos, and you can also click on the plus sign to write a new memo. Here you can choose your memo title, your memo description, and then the reminder options for this specific memo. You can choose to be reminded of this memo on every appointment, on specific appointments, or on appointments with specific services or specific practitioners. Additionally, you can also view memos directly from a client file. To do this, we'll simply go to the clients page. We'll search for the client in question. Once again, we'll look at our test client, James Smith. And then we'll go over to the Memos tab. Here from the Memos tab, you can actually see each memo with the memo title, and you can write a new memo by clicking on the New Memo button at the top right. Again, here you can choose your title, description, and reminder preferences. If you want to edit a memo, you'll simply need to click on the memo title, and it will bring up the memo. You can change anything you'd like. And if you'd like to delete the memo, you'll simply need to click on the delete memo text here at the bottom and then confirm by clicking delete. I hope this helps, but if you have any other questions, feel free to reach out. Our email is support@clinicsense.com. Have a good one. Bye-bye.